Long ago in China lived a very successful businessman whose business was to sell cones. Businessman got old and was about to retire. He had 3 sons, and before retiring, he wanted to place his business into wise and able hands. So, he called his sons and gave them an assignment. He instructed them to sell cones in the Buddhist monastery. He told them they have 3 days for the assignment and report back to him. His sons were shocked and confused because monks who lived in monastery were bald and never grew any hair. Yet all 3 sons went for the job assigned to them. After 3 days, first son reported to his father that he was able to sell only 2 cones. Father asked him,
"How were you able to convince them to buy those cones?"
First son replied,
"I told them that they can use those combs for scratching their backs in case of inching."
After some hours, second son came and reported that he was able to sell 10 cones. Father asked him same question.
"What did you say to them?"
Second son replied,
"I advise them if they buy combs and keep them in monastery, that would help their visitors and pilgrims to comb their hairs, as their hairs might be ruffled during journey."
Just few minutes later, third son came and reported that he was able to sell 1,000 combs. Everyone was surprised to know about this surprising figure of 1,000 combs. Father was very happy with his result and was curious. He asked him,
"Son, you did a wonderful job. How you were able to sell 1,000 cones?"
Third son replied,
"I went to monk and gave them an idea. Idea was that if some of the teachings of Buddha were to be printed or embossed on the cone and given as a takeaway gift to the visitors and pilgrims, they will remember the teachings of Buddha on a daily basis while combing their hair.